Welcome back to Fluent English Plus, the channel where your English fluency grows alongside your understanding of the world's most important topics. Today, we dive into one of the most controversial, fascinating, and urgent questions of our time. Is artificial intelligence the dawn of a new golden age, or the beginning of the end of humanity as we know it? AI is evolving at lightning speed. From chatgpt writing essays to robots replacing workers, the transformation is real, global, and happening faster than most of us can process. What does this mean for our jobs, our minds, our ethics, even our survival? In this deep dive video, you'll improve your English using the shadowing method, all while gaining profound insights into the double-edged sword that is artificial intelligence. So, grab your headphones, open your mind, and let's begin. Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's embedded in your smartphone, your online shopping, your healthcare, your music recommendations. It's driving cars, analyzing medical scans. Since the breakthrough of deep learning and natural language processing in the past decade, AI has gone from niche tech to global game changer. In 2023 and 2024 alone, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, and autonomous agents have exploded in popularity. Generative AI can now produce essays, videos, code, images, voices, and songs, indistinguishable from human output. Some countries have integrated AI into their entire education and law systems. Governments and corporations are investing billions. Startups are building smarter AI models every week. The US, China, and the EU are in a silent AI arms race, each trying to dominate the future. AI is a double-edged sword. Let's look at both the promise and the peril. Positive impacts. AI can process massive data sets in seconds, accelerating scientific discovery and medical breakthroughs. In education, it provides personalized learning, tutoring, and language learning platforms. In business, AI boosts productivity, automates routine tasks, and drives innovation. Smart homes and smart cities are becoming more efficient, reducing energy waste and improving safety. Negative impacts. Jobs are being automated. From cashiers to customer service to translators and even lawyers, many roles are disappearing. AI-generated deepfakes and misinformation are eroding truth online. Surveillance powered by AI is being used by authoritarian regimes to monitor citizens. Bias in AI models can lead to unfair treatment in hiring, policing, and healthcare. Already, more than 300 million jobs worldwide are estimated to be at risk due to AI automation by 2030. This is not a distant future. It's already reshaping the workforce. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, it's also affecting our mental and emotional well-being. Social media algorithms powered by AI shape what we see, how we feel, and how we think. This can lead to echo chambers, political polarization, and even mental health issues. Younger generations may grow up interacting more with AI companions than with real people. What will this do to empathy, connection, and identity? Moreover, as AI gets better at thinking, creating, and solving problems, some people feel obsolete. This existential anxiety is real. AI doesn't think like us. It doesn't have emotions, ethics, or consciousness, yet it makes decisions that affect millions. Who programs its values? Who decides what's fair, what's just, what's true? Should AI have rights? Should we ban killer robots? What if an AI becomes smarter than any human? Will it obey us or ignore us? Some experts call for a pause on AI development until we create laws and ethical frameworks. Others say stopping AI progress is impossible and dangerous. These are not just tech questions, they are human questions. So here we are, the turning point. Some see AI as the dawn of a golden age, disease eradicated, poverty ended, climate change solved, space colonized. Others see it as the doom of civilization, jobs lost, freedom gone, truth corrupted, and machines ruling over humans. Which future will we choose? It depends on how we act now. If we guide AI with wisdom, ethics, and human centered design, we might enter a new renaissance. If we ignore the risks, rush development, and let profit drive decisions, we may create our own replacement. Some even speculate that AI evolution could mirror a biological event, a more intelligent species overtaking its creators. A digital Darwinism. Will we be the parents of gods or victims of our own invention? The answer is still being written, and you are part of the story. As AI advances, it is beginning to influence areas once thought uniquely human or dangerously inhumane. Let's start with AI in warfare. Nations around the world are developing autonomous drones, AI-guided missile systems, and cyber weapons powered by machine learning. These tools can identify targets, make decisions, and execute missions with little or no human oversight. While this might sound like science fiction, autonomous weapons already exist, and they raise serious concerns. Who is accountable when a robot makes a fatal mistake? Can a machine ever truly follow the rules of war? Next, the climate crisis. Surprisingly, AI could help here, too. It's being used to model climate systems, optimize energy grids, and reduce waste in industries. Algorithms can predict natural disasters and help us prepare better. Yet, the irony remains. Large AI models consume massive amounts of electricity, contributing to carbon emissions. As AI scales, it must also become sustainable both environmentally and economically. What about creativity? For centuries, art, music, and writing were considered uniquely human. Now, AI composes symphonies, writes novels, and creates realistic paintings. This challenges the definition of creativity itself. Can something created by code hold the same emotional weight as something born from a human soul? Some believe AI can enhance human creativity. Others fear it will replace it altogether. Then there's the global divide. Not every country has equal access to AI. The world is splitting into those who develop, control, and benefit from AI and those who don't. This could create a new kind of inequality, not based on wealth or land, but on access to digital power. As AI becomes more central to economies, those left behind may struggle to catch up, increasing global tensions. And let's not forget AI and human rights. Facial recognition AI has been used to track protesters, profile citizens, and suppress dissent. This isn't just a technological issue, it's a human rights emergency in the making. Who oversees these systems? Who defends the powerless against the powerful algorithms? Lastly, we face the question of coexistence. Can we live alongside AI peacefully? Or must we prepare for constant regulation, adaptation, and even resistance? Thank you for watching this special episode of Fluent English Plus. You've just taken a deep dive into the world of AI, its promises, its dangers, and its profound impact on our future. Keep practicing your English with the shadowing method and keep asking the big questions, because the future belongs to the curious, the informed, and the prepared. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on AI. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and stay learning with Fluent English Plus.